3 months ago, the Australian Railways Historical Society, together with Westrail, set about getting engine Dd592 back on the rails. It was to be a painstakingly thorough restoration. No detail would be overlooked in the attempt to rekindle the romantic spirit of the steam engine. Dd592 was overhauled in a workshop totally geared for modern diesel locos, an opportunity for young apprentices to get a feel for some of the more traditional skills. And a final chance for some of the older hands to use those same methods. In 1946, when the Dd592 was first commissioned, she would have cost just £1,200, a bargain when you consider the $1 million plus for today's steel workhorses. Since 1972, she had been displayed in the Historical Society's Bassendean Museum. Now, she was to become a working, breathing museum piece. In one of the more delicate procedures during the work, the giant was lifted by crane onto a set of fully restored axles. As at any stage, there is simply no margin for error. The restorers work to an exacting program. Inside the boiler, what will become the flaming heart of the loco. The work is not glamorous, but that's the way it has to be to make sure the end product is. DD's day is approaching. Various tests are undertaken. Restorers try the boiler for pressure. The reason is simple: no pressure, no go. The first trial run is a success. Dd592 is ready once again to show her face in public. The culmination of months of effort is near. And one last touch, a facelift on a facelift, as Dd592 takes on her original colour. Finally, she's ready to roll.